quick analysis on your GP trade I just sent out. So firstly, as we can see, your GP is quite in a ranging motion, hardly any movement. As we can see from the candles itself, very small candles compared to other Euro pairs. But that's why we entered this trade as a sell, because what we're expecting it to happen, right? Since 29th of June, which was yesterday, this level hasn't been broken. This is a 4-hour resistance we have drawn, but this level hasn't been broken. And as soon as the price tests this level, it drops and just been ranging. So what could happen is that means there's a lot of sellers and buyers in the market, but they really don't know what to do with this pair right now. They're just waiting on a few news. So what could have happened is they could be waiting for Canadian GDP that could affect Euro GDP, or a Euro ECB Scarborough speaks at 2 p.m. GMT. That's what they're usually waiting for. They're probably waiting for this and CB consumer confidence at one after another, the news. So that's what they're waiting for to really know what's happening with Euro and GP. As you know, GP's all-time low is at 1.22 against dollar, so quite low. But that's why, so investors are thinking, should they sell Euro against GP because GP might see a massive rise against dollar, or to just hold out and see what's happening in the market. So that's what we entered as a sell, because we do expect it's going to drop. Because when something like this happens after strong uptrend, like you can see how massive the uptrend was, and the price just lingers around, that means that it's going to be a strong downtrend as well. So as powerfully as it rose up, it's going to drop same powerfully. So for example, if you can see from here, when the 29G start rising, hardly any red candles, indicating quite a strong buy pressure. That's what we're expecting here, a very strong sell pressure till 0.9088 level. That's where our second TP is. But again, we expect, on a technical analysis, also on a sentiment of the market, we expect the euro to drop against GBP, because GBP is all-time low against dollar. Let me just pull that out quickly for you guys to really see what's happening. So GBP is quite low against dollar, but we do expect GBP to climb. We see some life in GBP right now. As you can see, it just bounced off again at this level. This is a quite strong level as support, so we expect GBP to rise and test this 1.29 down trend line. And when that happens, what's going to happen is euro GBP is going to start falling, which is already doing right now, but we expect it to fall more to at least 1.92 level. Probably gonna close off TP1 there and move a sell to entry, or and then hold trade to keep falling more. But again, your GP does look like a good sell. This more on sentiment analysis rather than a technical fundamental analysis. We think market sentiment is telling us that it's going to be a downtrend. That's why we're selling already before the news comes out. We're selling the rumor that euro is going to have a bad outcome when this guy, what's his name, I forgot, he's got a hard name, Scandal speaks. He's gonna give out a bad report for euro. Probably no more stimulus, probably bond buying is stopping for euros. This is gonna affect the euros in whole. Again, GP as well is all-time low, so we expect GP to climb and euro to drop. But again, euro and GP is a safer bet than trading GPSD, because GPSD much more volatile when it comes to your GP. That's why we're entering GP as a sell.